If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone, with incredible camera quality, that can even rival an iPhone, then you need to check out this new Nokia smartphone. According to the latest leaks, Nokia is set to launch a power-packed device, featuring a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 7000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked specs, price, and launch details of this beast. So, let's get started. Features: Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. This smartphone flaunts a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it's built to last with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G truly shines. Headlined by a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor. Supporting cameras include 50-megapixel, 8-megapixel and 5-megapixel. And for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your Instagram pop. Performance and software. Under the hood, this beast is expected to pack the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. And for software, it's set to run the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery backup. With a 7000 mAh battery, this phone is built to last days on a single charge. And when you do need to power up, 120-watt super fast charging, with a USB Type-C port, gets you back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price around $900, a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, no official info yet, but stay tuned for updates.